Okay, today I'll be working with you on my assignment using the rubric of Big 04 project. So I'll be starting from rubric 6. The database is shown with at least two collections, and one of them has at least 7 fields shown in the video via compass. So this is my database. Um, the name is students DB, contains two collections, and in the courses collection, there are 6 data: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are eight um, collections of courses in 5. Each protected routes, a route that needs authentication requires authentication before access. There are at least two protected routes. Okay, in my routes, so created the validation folder with the file name authenticate.js that authenticates um, data imputed by the user. And in my routes, the post route contains authentication. The put or update route contains authentication. And in my student.js route, post contains authentication and also the put contains authentication. In in the fourth rubric, video demonstrate application working in published sites. Okay, so this is my render account, and this is my web application link. Okay, I'm logged out. Okay, let me log in. Okay, let me get friends. Let me get the courses. Okay, let me get ID. Okay, let me move Swagger. Okay, it's working. Okay, each route uses error handling. Try, cache, and return a 400 or 500 source code if errors are shown. Both post and put routes for both collections contain data validation and returns a 400 or 500 error if data requirements are not met. Okay, so um, this validates the data. This is my course, creating course. This validates ensuring that what is entered, what is imputed by the client, meets requirements. And it uses a try and catch and returns an error message, error 500. This also validates, ensuring that the updates made by the clients meets requirements. This is a try and catch error handler, returns 500 if requirements are not met. So for the students, also the same thing, validates the data when student tries to update, uses try and catch, and returns an error when requirements are not met. Also, creating a new student validates, returns an error message if requirements are not met. Set requirements and returns back a response. Okay, Swagger is present. Is present. I missed one. I think sensitive data. So in my GitHub, um, sensitive data such as my node models, my MongoDB string, this ESB file. I added it to git ignore, which ignores important information from my project. As you can see, but um, Node.js and .env are not present in my GitHub. So Swagger present can be tested. Application correctly performs get, post, and delete requests for at least two collections. Okay, so this is the first collection. Let me try to get, okay, it gets all the students. Okay, let me try to get by ID. Okay, let me do for the courses. Okay, gets all the courses. Let me try to delete the code by its ID. So the ID I chose, okay, is Grace Johnson, first name. It teaches computer science, level 200. So I'm logged in, so it error status code found, they're not found. Okay, because I'm using students. Okay, so let me delete. Okay, so that's the student I deleted, Chris Johnson. So let me check in my database if Chris Johnson deleted. Okay, I see Chris Johnson. Student name Chris Johnson was deleted. Thank you.